Happy New Year! I'm Stacy Julian and I have something that's gonna make you even happier. This is the brand new Story by Stacy kit called Stories I Love. It is one of my most favorite concepts ever because it helps you pair your most favorite photos with the stories that they tell. These are the stories that are important to you because these are the photos you love the most. And the reason they belong together is because you love them. I just want to show you the last page. They belong together because you love them. This kit is so adorable. It might be my favorite. I probably shouldn't say that, but I love it, okay? Look at these pages. They're pre-printed and ready to go. They come in dark or light, so you get to choose. You have everything you need and these awesome stickers that help you support and highlight your favorite photos. Of course, there is a workbook that will help you build the story so that you feel confident as a storyteller. Today, we're going to give away 3 Stories I Love kits. Here's what you have to do to qualify as a winner, all right? You need to share this blog post and then go down and leave us a comment and tell me which picture you just thought of that you know you're gonna put in your first Stories I Love album. You guys, this is storytelling that you can do. Share the post, leave us a comment. We can't wait to see what you do.